What's up, you beautiful people? So today I am doing a natural look. This is the finished product, so if you enjoy what you see right now, continue watching. Okay, so I'm actually going to try out this L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Foundation. This is in the shade Nude Beige. So I do have to say, I really do like this product here. It says natural finish on the back of the tube here, and I do have to say it is a natural finish on my skin, which I love. So next I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia in Porcelain and just put that under my eyes just to lighten it up. So I'm just gonna go in with my RCMA just to bake the face. And I'm going to take precisely my brow pencil on my eyebrow. Now I'm just going to go in with the Rimmel London Sun Shimmer Bronzer just to bronze the face and get that nice glow. And then I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Eyeliner in Black Comet and just line my lash line. If it's not perfect, because I'm gonna go in on top with this is literally almost done, but a little black pencil. So you're just smudging that in there so it's not a harsh line. And then I'm just gonna go in with the Colossal Express Mascara by Maybelline. Take my Bare Minimals in the shade Rogue Beauty. So then I'm just going to take my Urban Decay Illuminated Highlighter. Again, I'm going to go in with the Tarte LipSurgence Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Visionary.
And that hurt a lot, but I took it like a champ. Ew. Ew, who do I sound like? My girl Cardi B. I'm literally in love with Cardi B. Oh my god. If Cardi B wants to be my BFF. Girl, I am so down. Her videos on Instagram, I literally go on a roll. Like, I can be sitting there for hours just watching Cardi B's videos. Yeah. So shout out to you, Cardi.
think. It is a very fun, natural look. I did go extra and curl my hair. You don't have to if you don't want to, obviously. But I hope you enjoyed watching the video like I did making it. Make sure to comment below letting me know what you want to see next time, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos. And until next time, bye! Perfect!